Hello and welcome to the showcase video of Project Explorer IBM Doors Next extension. Navigating between all the projects in IBM Jazz applications can sometimes be tricky for new users, especially when you're involved in multiple projects at once or using configuration management. Additionally, users coming from Doors 9 were accustomed to easily navigating between projects using predefined folder or database views, where they could see all available projects, folders, and modules in a tree structure. Inspired by this, Softakis developed the Project Explorer extension for IBM Engineering Requirements Doors Next to provide users with easier navigation between projects and configurations. It achieves this by replicating the Doors 9 database view in the Doors Next mini dashboard. The key features of this extension include management of multiple application servers, caching for enhanced focus, jumping, navigating to modules, and components and projects grouping. However, you will see all of these features in action directly in the showcase. First of all, since the extension displays all projects, components, configurations, and modules from every application in the IBM Jazz environment, it works wherever the user is able to have the mini dashboard open, except in the JTS application. As you can see, in the showcase, the user is currently in the JTS application, so the widget displays a warning indicating that this application is not supported. Let's switch to another application. Once the user switched the application, the widget was automatically refreshed. After the refresh, the tree structure appeared in the UI. By default, the application in which the user is located is expanded, displaying all the projects the user has access to. The user can utilize the tree structure to expand other applications, projects, and configurations as well. For quality management and workflow management applications, only the project areas are displayed in the tree structure. Users can select a project directly from the tree structure, and they will be automatically navigated to the project dashboard. The same applies to quality management projects. Once selected, the user is automatically navigated to the dashboard of the selected project. For requirements management and global configuration, the tree structure is more detailed. If the user expands the requirements management application section, the tree structure includes projects with their components, configurations, folder structure, and modules at the lowest level. Configurations can be opened by clicking on the blue icon beside the configuration name. However, there is a difference between opening a stream and opening a baseline or change set. If the user opens a stream, they are navigated to the project dashboard within the selected stream. Modules are at the lowest level in the tree structure, meaning they cannot be expanded further. To open a module within the selected configuration, the user simply needs to click on the name of the desired module. If the baseline section is expanded in the extension UI, the first items listed are the baselines corresponding to the upper-level stream. If the user continues expanding a baseline, they will see the folder structure and modules associated with the selected baseline. Now, let's explore the difference between opening a stream and opening a baseline or change set via the extension UI. As you saw earlier, when a stream is opened, the user is navigated to the project dashboard. However, this differs from opening a baseline or change set, as in those cases, the user is navigated to the configuration details instead of the dashboard. And of course, if a module is opened from the baseline section, it is opened in the corresponding baseline. Now let's talk shortly about the Global Configuration section. The Global Configuration section is as detailed as the Requirements Management section, but, of course, due to the differences in the architecture of Global Configuration, GEC, and Requirements Management, ERM, there are some distinctions between the two. In addition to the local configurations, the Global Configuration section includes global components and global configurations, which are also displayed in the tree structure by the extension. The blue button beside the global stream name opens the details of the global stream, including the local configuration structure. If the user opens a module that is part of a local configuration belonging to the global stream, the module is opened in the global configuration context. The Project Explorer extension has one more feature that we would like to present to you. The feature is called Project or Components Grouping, and with this feature, users can create groups of projects or components within the extension UI. To enable this feature, all that is needed is to insert the group name in square brackets into the description of the project or component. To create a group, the user needs to navigate to the Manage this project area page. Keep in mind that only administrators are allowed to change the project description. As you can see, the demo user simply inserted the group name into the brackets and saved the project. Let's do this also in other project. We will assign the same group to the second project as well. And to demonstrate that this feature is working in other applications too, we will create the same group for Test Management Project. After refreshing the page, you can notice that under the Requirements Management and Test Management sections, there is a new folder icon named the same as the group we just created. When the group is expanded, it contains exactly the same projects that were assigned with the group name in their descriptions. If you would like to return to the tree structure without groups, you can disable the grouping option in the top right corner of the extension UI. If you have any questions or are interested in any of our Doors Next extensions, feel free to contact us at info@softaccess.com or visit our website, where you can find numerous blog articles related to the IBM Engineering Jazz platform. You can also visit our YouTube channel, where we have more demonstrations of our extensions, as well as useful tutorial videos for various IBM ELM features. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you next time.